Here we are again at Stone Beach Farm, thinking about honeybees again. Here's my first swarm and my first swarm attempt at capturing. So we'll see how we do with capturing this swarm. Hang on a minute, I'll show you my setup. Okay, there's the swarm up in the tree that we were just looking at. There's the ladder and a tarp and a box. The box goes up in the ladder with me. We'll shake the bees into it. We'll carry the bees over here to my newly constructed top bar hive that I built this summer, and we'll pour the bees out of the box into that box. So that's theory. Let's see how we do. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Except I can't reach that branch. One, two, three. Wow, they're heavy. Definitely like 5 pounds of bees in here. Pretty sure I got the queen in here. How brave are you? How close can I get?
I'm zoomed in. That's just...
There's an apple. There's an apple in there. All right, that's as close I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go pour it in. Let's see what happens. Maybe try to get the apple out. Really hard to get a notion right now of where the queen might be. Okay, I'm going to try to thump the box again. It's just slightly problematic. But here we go, thumping the box again. I wonder if I should just go like this. That's probably the best idea I've had for a little while. So what I'm seeing inside the inner flaps of the box are flapping, and there's bees all over those inner flaps. So I can't really tell. They seem to be really happy on those flaps. Makes me think she's on one of the flaps and hasn't fallen into the top bar hive yet. So I think I'll give them a couple of minutes to get used to that, and go thump it again in a little while. Again, so I don't know what to think. There's the bees. Here's the top bar, and I've left this gap. I've left this gap here for them to go in. I assume the queen got knocked in there. But there's a lot of bees still in the box, and they're really fanning really hard, so they're really noisy in there. So the workers are all inside the box. They got their abdomens up, they're fanning really hard. And they're not, I would think that they'd be going in the top bar if the queen was in there. So, we're going to just wait and see, give it a few more minutes. Well, there's the box. There's the top bar hive with all the bars in place. There's a few bees on top. It's going to take some practice to learn how to place the bars on there without squashing bees. There's the entrance holes. I don't know if that's enough entrance holes for them, but it doesn't seem terribly crowded right now. So anyway, I think mission accomplished. We'll see how they do.